Mother is a novel written by Maxim Gorky in 1906 about revolutionary factory workers. It was first published in English in Appleton's magazine in 1906, then in Russian in 1907. The work was translated into many languages and was made into a number of films. Mother is the only long work of Gorky in Russian revolutionary movement. However, all of his novels it is possibly the least successful. Nevertheless, it remains the best work of Gorky among the author's other important novels. He wrote the novel on a trip to the United States in 1906. The political agenda behind the novel was clear. In 1905, after the defeat of Russia's first revolution, Gorky tried to raise the spirit of the proletarian movement by conveying the political agenda among the readers through his work. He was trying to raise spirit among the revolutionaries of battle the deficit mood. Gorky was personally connected to the novel as it is based on real events, revolving around Anna Zolomova and her son Pyotr Zolomov. Gorky being a distant relative of Anna Zolomova who visited Gorky's family when he was a child had a deeper connection to the story. The event took place during a May Day demonstration in Solomova in 1902. The shipbuilding town of Sormova was near Gorky's native town, Nizhny Novgorod, where after the arrest of Pyotr Zolomov by Tsarist police, his mother Anna Zolomova followed him into revolutionary activity. In his novel, Gorky portrays the life of a woman who works in a Russian factory doing hard manual labor and combating poverty and hunger. Among other hardships, Pelageya is the real protagonist. Her husband, a heavy drunkard, physically assaults her and leaves the responsibility for raising their son. Pavel, to her, but unexpectedly dies. Pavel noticeably begins to emulate his father in his drunkenness and stammer, but suddenly becomes involved in revolutionary activities. Abandoning drinking, Pavel starts to bring books to his home. Being illiterate and having no political interest, Nilovna is at first cautious about Pavel's new activities. However, she wants to help him. Pavel is shown as the main revolutionary character. Nevertheless, Nilovna, moved by her maternal feelings and, though uneducated, overcoming her political ignorance to become involved in revolution, is considered the true protagonist of the novel. Being considered one of the most influential novels of the century worldwide, Mother was made in 1926 into a silent film under Vsevolod Surovikin's direction with the same name. In the following years, in 1932, the novel was dramatized into a play by German playwright Bertolt Brecht in Die Mutter. In the later years, the novel was adapted in two other films of the same name, Mark Donsky's Mother, which released in 1955, and Gleb Plenicht's Mothers in 1990. And this is a novel that everybody must read. This teaches us about life. Thank you. Thank you for your patience listening. Story is narrated by Dr. Priyanka MG.